Okay, so we're gonna do a quick unboxing of this right here. This is gonna be the Apple AirPods Pro 2nd generation. I'm just gonna give you a quick look how it looks in the box and just give you a really detailed look on it. So this is gonna be the box. It's gonna come just like this, really nice box. You see my hand right here. Kind of give you an idea how big it is. But again, it's gonna be the box right here, clean setup. Essentially, you're gonna have two tabs right here, one here and one here that you're just gonna take off. You're gonna have some information right here. It says AirPods Pro 2nd generation in different languages, I believe, as well. When you open it up, it's gonna look just like this. Love Apple, always have like a really clean setup. And then you remove this off and you're gonna have it right here, which obviously I've been using it for the last day and I love it. It's gonna be right here. I'm gonna give you a quick detail on this in a second, but again, it's gonna have this wrapper right here that you can see. I'm gonna take everything out of the box and you're gonna have your cable right here. This is going to be a USB-C to your regular lightning port that Apple comes with. And if you continue, you are going to have a couple other earbuds as well. I'm going to open this up. All right, so you got a couple different sizes, extra small, small, and large. So you can see it right here. That's pretty cool because again, everybody has different ears and all that. So obviously you get the point. That's about it when it comes to the box. All right, so let me give you a quick look here. The case is kind of how it looks. You can see it right here. And again, pretty different than other generations. Here's one side right there. And again, just giving you a quick look. When you open it up, obviously you're going to have the earbuds in there. And obviously this is being charged, right? So you charge it right here. And the case itself is kind of like a power bank kind of style. And then inside is being charged, right? So essentially you connect the case to the charger and it's charging your earbuds. I'm just going to take one out. You know, you got to kind of get used to how you get them out. But when you take them out, this is kind of what you have right here, right? And I'm going to give you a quick detail right there, right? So obviously this thing right here could be changed. You see that you have different ones. One of the things that this ones have is that it has noise cancellation. And I'm going to tell you, it's really, really cool. I've done some testing already where I put it on. I activate the noise cancellation through my cell phone. And I tell you what, it's really, really good. Very, very impressive. They did a really good job when it comes to that. The sound is obviously fantastic. You put this on, you're going to be able to listen to music. You're going to be able to, watch a movie or whatever. I mean, the sound is great coming out of this. They do have the signs right here. This one says L. Obviously, that's going to be my left ear. And again, I'm just going to give you a quick look so you can see how they fit in my ear. And here it is, pretty much giving you a look right here so you can kind of see how it sits in my ear. So far, I really like them.